I did not think I would be making a video like this again this soon, but we've already taken a look at the Falco Engine, which is a sort of equivalence to Unity, which has elements of Unity, elements of Godot, and elements of Unreal Engine in it. But now I'm going to be taking a look at the Falco Engine. But before we get into it, I have also looked at other Unity alternatives, as in Stride Engine. So basically, I'm taking a look at these sort of less popular engines, unlike Godot and Unreal Engine. So I've already looked at Unigine Engine, and I'm probably not going to look at it again. But here we have Falco Engine, so there's no projects here, so we're just going to create a new one, and I'm going to do this real quickly because, it requires creating a new folder and stuff like that. Okay, so now we have it open, so this project is just simply called My Game, that's what I called it, and it was fairly quick to show up, fairly quick to load up, which is nice. So of course it moves around like the normal Unity engine, and this thing in the corner is like a sort of a rotator thing. It's like in Blender where you can like hold down and it rotates around a point, which is also pretty nice. So what I want to try and do is, first of all, we've also got a UI editor over here, which is Wait. Is it because I haven't got a camera in here, or is it because I haven't got a canvas? You know what? Let's go back to the scene. And first of all, let's put in a camera. So there we go. Nice looking camera right there. And let's put in UI canvas. So if I go to UI editor, there we go. There's our canvas. So if I go into the canvas, create UI. Now, obviously we don't have a lot of options, but this is the basic amount of options that you kind of just need for like a game that's like Unity. So let's go for text, and it's right there. Okay, so I can move it. Okay, so let's try, word wrap, break word, I guess. And then font size, let's put it so high. Apparently that's not working. I'm not entirely sure why that's not working, but okay. Font resolution. Okay, apparently that's not working either. So, wait. Oh god, what the hell happened there? Oh, okay. So I think that because I'm doing the whole Control Z undo process, it's slowing down like a little bit. So if I zoom in, so you can obviously see it. Oh, right, I didn't realize I could do this. Right, okay. So let's go for vertical alignment. No, wait, hang on. Horizontal alignment. It's in the center, okay. But it's not even in the middle though. It's what? That's already. Wait, hang on. Oh, wait. Okay, so text horizontal. There we go. Right, I was looking in the wrong place. Okay, so raycast target. Let's just leave that alone for now. So font size. Can I? Wait. Hang on. Can I? Why is that not? Unless. Oh. I have to actually release for it to. Okay, fair enough. Okay, I didn't realize that. That's a tiny bit annoying though, that you can't see like a real time result. You have to release your mouse in order for it to. That's a little annoying, but it's fine. So if I keep on going. Aha! Wait, what? Break word. Word wrap. Okay, so you can't put the text over. So you can't have the text outside of the box, which, fair enough, you know what, I completely understand that. So now we have a text on the screen, and it's pretty big actually. So I wonder how that's gonna look. Can I just play? Wait, right, okay, I've got to actually... Yeah, I know. I didn't realise I got to actually save the scene first. So first of all, let's create a new folder. Let's call this one scenes, organisation and all that stuff. Create... Oh, wait. First of all, save. Go into my game. Assets. Scenes. Now, I did try to do this before, but it kept giving me an error. So will it give me an error this time? So let's just try scene 1. No, it didn't give me an error this time. I don't know why that's the case, but you know what? Fair enough, it didn't give me an error. That's good. Okay, let's play. So, what would it... Okay, so it just shows up as new text. That's all we need to know. That's good. So now that we've got that, actually, how do I get the game view? I guess the only way for me to get the game view is, but wait, hang on. The text is not showing up on the camera, even though it does show up in the UI editor. It's a little bit of a downer, but again, it's a new game engine. There's going to be some quirks here and there, so it's not all going to be there. It's not going to be all that you're used to. So it's all part of the course. So what I want to do now is let's just create another new folder and call this one scripts. I can't even spell scripts to save my life. That's good. Okay, so now let's create a new C# script. Now, because this is the Falco engine, and from what I've seen in the C# scripts, it's pretty much the exact same as Unity, so no worry right there. So let's just call this script hello world. Actually, I shouldn't really have a space in there, just in case. Hello world. Yeah, hello world, why not? So compiling the scripts, and doesn't really take that long. Okay, so because I usually use a script inspector 3 in Unity, but for this engine, of course, I'm going to have to use Visual Studio, which not my favorite, but you got to deal with what you have to deal with what you have to deal with. Okay, so this is the C# script, and it's mono behavior, and it looks exactly the same, except for you've got a Falco engine here, but it looks exactly the same. So I'm just wondering, can I just do using Falco engine.ui? Does that? Apparently not. Okay, so you know what? Worth a try, I guess. So can I just do public text? I can just do public text. Wait, what? Okay, sure, why not? Okay, display text. There we go. So if I do, if I do if input dot, now it would, I think it's, get key down, but instead of key code, it's scan code. So scan code dot, I'm going to do alpha 1 because I think that's the number 1 on your keyboard. Not on the number pad, but on your, regular keyboard. So let's go ahead and do this. So can I just do this display text dot text is equal to hello world? Can I do that? So let's put a random game object in there. So yeah, empty. Yeah, it shows up as game object. What the hell? That's pretty neat. Okay, so put hello world onto there. And wait, what? Oh, right. Okay. There we go. So display text. So if I put in the text, there's no way. There's no way. Surely. Right, let's just save our game first of all. Let's play the game. Okay, so here we have, so number 1. Yo! Well, that is our first hello world done in Falco Engine. Wow. To be fair, in the future, even though this hasn't got every single thing that I would like, from Unity, I could see myself using this because it's pretty straightforward. This could potentially be a replacement for Unity, which, interesting. So now, what could I do? I could try and make an object destroy. Yeah, destroy an object. Okay, so if actually, wait, hang on. I want to do something a tiny bit advanced in a way. So what I want to try to do is let's create a cube. Okay, so it's just going to be like a default material, of course. Let's put the scale to... wait, hang on. Yeah, that's good, actually. That's good. So, like that. Okay, cool. Right. So, let's put it up a little bit. Nice. Now let's scale it like that. And then scale this like that. Nice. I should really give it like a material, though. You know what? I'm going to create a new folder and call it materials. And then create material. Let's just call this green. Yeah, why not? Green. So, let's go ahead and do the color to green. Nice. And now, obviously in Unity, you would obviously just drag and drop this over into here, but yeah, it's not going to work. So what you have to do is you have to go back to the cube and then drag and drop the green material onto the default material, and then it will appear. Now, it's a little dark for my liking, but can I just... Wait, hang on. I mean, it's fine, it's fine. What we're going to do is we're actually going to get another cube, so... primitives again, cube. Okay, so instead, we're going to do another material, which is going to be red this time, so, you know, differentiate which cube it is and stuff like that. So, red, there we go. And go back to the other. You know what, I'm going to have to rename it. Can I just press F2? I can't, okay. So, I have to rename and call this... We're going to call this falling cube. Because we're going to make the cube fall down onto the floor, and when it reaches to the floor, it's going to basically destroy itself, like it's going to disappear. So let's put the red over to there, nicely done, and first of all, I'm actually going to scale it down a bit, and then put it up there. And first of all, let's put the camera over here, there we go, and then aim it down a little bit. And wait, so where's the world thing? World thing. There it is. So local world. Okay, good. Okay, so I can then put it backward. Okay, I don't actually need the local thing, but it's nice that it's there. So now let's go to the falling cube and add component, physics, rigid body. So now let's just see how this works. First of all, first of all, let's go to the canvas and then disable that. So yep, it's now gone. Okay, good, which is nice. So now let's see what this comes up with. Save it, and let's see. I forgot to add collision to both objects actually, right? Yeah. So physics, box collider. That is right? Yeah, that must be right, yeah, okay. So, now I need to add a box collider to the falling cube. I don't know why I didn't do this to begin with, but here we go, box collider, nicely done. And now, save it, try this out. What? I put a box collider on... Something feels fishy here. I don't quite know why. Unless. Let's just try putting a rigid body on this as well. But, be static. Don't use gravity. Let's just try that. So you need a rigid body on anything that requires collision. Interesting. But now that we have that, now what we need is we're gonna make a script. Call it destroy the cube. That's all we're gonna call it. Now the question is, because I've made another C# script, what is it gonna do? Is it gonna open up another Visual Studio, or is it gonna open up a tab? It's gonna open up another Visual Studio. I'm not a big fan of that, because I don't know why it doesn't do like another tab. Like Unity, it does another tab, right? It keeps on opening up tabs when you've already got Visual Studio open. So I'm not a big fan of it not opening up a new tab. But if I can just, well, it doesn't really matter. I can just, yeah, again, I'm not entirely sure why it does. Wait. Save, yeah, sure, okay. Wait, what? Has been discard. I don't even know what the hell happened there. But you know what? Let's go ahead and get a reference to game object. Actually, I'm gonna make it public because, you know, why not? And yeah, we're gonna call it. Wait. Falling. No. Wait. No. Wait. You know what? I just realised I don't even need this. For God's sakes, just realised that. I don't even know why I tried that, but okay. So we're gonna take all of that out, and we're gonna do on. Right. So trigger. How do you do an on trigger then?
20 minutes later.
Okay, so unfortunately, I've been trying my best to look up how you do the whole, like, on trigger enter thing or on collision enter, but it seems that I'm not able to find that out. Unfortunately, this is the only documentation that I can find, and I've been trying to look up trigger and collision. Actually, you know what? I didn't even try looking up collision into here, and... Wait, collision... Falco Engine. Collision. Yeah, this is all that comes up with collision, and it's not really, like, much. Like, it's not really much help. Yeah, so I'm not able to do, like, a on collision sort of event thing, but I can just do, wait, update? Well, I can't even, it won't even let me do update. Wait, really? Wait, okay. Okay, so I've got the classes back up, and apparently I can get update again, which is a little bit weird, but let's do if input dot get key down, and then scan, of course, not S, I'm going to do E, because, you know, why not? So now, let's, I mean, I could have just done like a on collision enter, and then, you know, put something in like the parenthesis so that if something does enter it, I don't actually need to reference anything. But I might as well just do it like this. So game object and then falling cube. So then I can just do destroy falling cube. That easy, right? So now if I go to the cube and then just put on destroy cube and then falling cube. I mean, of course this is gonna work, but here we go. There we go, it's gone now. I'm just a little sad that I couldn't find out how to like make it fall down onto the plane and destroy itself. I'm a little sad about that, but hopefully can get more Falco Engine tutorials in the future, maybe. But for now, I just wanted to take a look at the Falco Engine. I don't know if you can fully make a game with this. I don't think it's fully quite there yet. I don't know. Even though the person who has made this engine has made games with it, I need to find out how to do the whole like collision enter, trigger enter, and then I'll be fine. It's stuff like this that you should really know how to do to make a game with, and if you don't know how to do those things, then well, it kind of hinders me to make a game with it, because it's that sort of level of confidence to make a game, you know? But anyway, I think the next time I do this, it's probably going to be with the Godot game engine, and that's going to be happening soon, and that may be the last time I do anything like this. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did enjoy the video, please do leave a like, and I shall see you guys next time. Peace out, everyone.